Hey there! Is your Google Home screencast not working as expected? Screencasting is one of the most convenient features for Android TV users, allowing you to display your favorite content on the big screen effortlessly. However, it can be frustrating when things don't go smoothly. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix Google Home screencast not working and get you back to enjoying your media seamlessly. Step 1. Check your network connection. First things first, let's ensure your devices are on the same network. If your screencast is not functioning, the most common issue is that your smartphone and your Android TV aren't connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open your phone's settings and your TV's network settings to verify they are both connected to the same network. If needed, reconnect them to the correct Wi-Fi. Step 2. Reboot your devices. A good old-fashioned reboot can often solve many tech hiccups. Turn off your Android TV, your router, and your smartphone, and then turn them back on in that order. Give each device a minute or two to fully reboot. This can refresh the connections and clear minor glitches that may be causing the casting issue. Step 3. Update apps and firmware. Outdated software can also lead to screencast problems. Make sure the Google Home app, your Android TV apps, and your smartphone operating system are all updated to the latest versions. Go to the Google Play Store on your phone and TV, check for updates, and install them available. Keeping your device software up to date ensures compatibility and optimal performance. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. If updating doesn't work, try clearing the app cache. On your smartphone, navigate to Settings, Apps, Google Home, Storage, Clear Cache. If that doesn't resolve the problem, you may need to clear the app data, which will reset the app to its default state. Be aware that clearing data will erase any settings or preferences, so you'll need to set them up again after. Step 5. Enable device discovery. Ensure that device discovery is enabled on your Android TV. Navigate to the TV settings and look for a menu option related to Google Cast or screen mirroring. Enable the feature so that your TV is discoverable by other devices. This setting can sometimes be inadvertently turned off, preventing your phone from seeing the TV correctly. Step 6. Check for interfering devices. Bluetooth and other wireless signals can interfere with casting. Turn off Bluetooth on all nearby devices that don't need it to see if that resolves the issue. Additionally, place your router at a central location to minimize signal interference and obstruction. Fixing your Google Home screencast not working can feel daunting, but by following these steps, you can often identify and resolve the issue. From checking your network connection to updating devices and enabling discovery, these solutions cover the most common problems that might prevent your Google Home from casting. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier, not harder. With a bit of troubleshooting, you can get back to the seamless streaming experience you expect. Enjoy your media and share it effortlessly with others. Happy casting.